The Super Affiliate System 2020 by John Crestani pays you $1,275 on each and every sale you make as an affiliate marketer. This is insane. What do you think about this? Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're doing awesome. I hope you're doing great. In this video, you will learn about affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? What are the requirements? What do you actually need before you actually start affiliate marketing? So I'll be covering these basic things before you get started as an affiliate marketer. So stay tuned in this video, watch the entire video so you get a basic understanding of what affiliate marketing is, how the process works, so you can work as an affiliate marketer and promote different products as per your choice. So now let me switch over to my computer screen. I'll see you all there. Before we go any further and dive deep into affiliate marketing, let's understand what is affiliate marketing. Let's understand what is the concept behind affiliate marketing. So once you know what affiliate marketing is, it will be very easy for you to move further. It will be very easy for you to understand the entire thing so you can move further easily. Affiliate marketing is basically a performance based marketing in which you promote a product or a service of any company, any brand, or any organization, and you get paid in return whenever someone buys any product or service that you recommended to them through your special affiliate link or through your special link that you get for each and every product or service. I have already discussed about what affiliate marketing is in one of my recent videos. If you have not checked that video, you can check the link in the description. So you can check that video and you get to know what affiliate marketing is. And I will also share the link of the video in the card section somewhere here or here. So you can check out that video to get a basic understanding of what affiliate marketing is. So as discussed earlier, affiliate marketing is one of the best, one of the legit ways of making money online. And that true passive income if you work on creating that passive income the right way. So what is that right way to make affiliate marketing income? What is that right way to make that passive income in affiliate marketing? Don't worry, watch this video and you will get to know the different traffic sources that you can utilize and make the best of them. You can make more and more commissions, you can make more and more sales, so you make more and more income. You can start making money through affiliate marketing on a beginner level, and that too with no money required. Now let's understand how actually affiliate marketing works. So you show an ad or you show an ad or link for, let's say, AXYZ store or ABC store on your website, or you do it through a blog. You show links through a blog or through a social network. And what happens whenever a customer clicks on the ad or your link, they basically go to your store. Fine, they go to your design store through the tracking link. So what is that tracking link? Whenever you get a link for a particular product, the link that I'm talking about is the affiliate link, the special link that you will get for each and every product that you will be promoting. So whenever you get that link and whenever the customer goes to your store with that particular link which you promoted on your website, on your blog, or through your social media, so customer makes a purchase, right? They do a transaction with you for the product or service that you were promoting as an affiliate on your store, on your social media, whichever way. The affiliate network, whenever the customer does the transaction, the affiliate network records or tracks that transaction or tracks that link, as I told you, and captures all the details of the transaction. Once the transaction is done, the purchase is confirmed by your store and the transaction is basically credited to you. What that means is that whenever the transaction happens, the customer placed an order, the customer purchased from your store, from your blog, from your social media through your special affiliate link which you added to your website or to your blog or to your social media. and they made a transaction, they did a transaction, they purchased that product or service that you recommended through your special link. So the transaction gets completed and you get paid the commission, which is the affiliate commission, which is your earning. And this is how affiliate marketing works. This is the affiliate marketing process in a nutshell. This is how the affiliate marketing works. So I hope you got a basic idea of what is affiliate marketing and how affiliate marketing works and how affiliate marketing program works. So you can easily have a picture in mind, and based on that you can step ahead and we can move forward. So this video is to help you out with affiliate marketing for beginners with no money, so you start making money online. And yes, when I say you do not require money to get started, that is true, because affiliate marketing can be done with 0 rupees as well. So if you want to make money from affiliate marketing, then there are certain requirements. There are few things that you require, that you need to know in order to get started the right way. So let me now share with you the different things that are required for you to get started in affiliate marketing. So the number one most important thing is choose the right niche. Choosing your niche. So affiliate marketing is the easiest thing that you can do, but only and only if you know the right niche. If you already know your niche, right? So in case you do not know your niche, do not worry. I will share with you top 3 evergreen niches with which you can get started and start promoting the affiliate products. So now you might ask me that what is this thing called niche? So let me tell you simply, niche is basically a category. It's an industry wherein you're working with a specific category, so you're working in a specific industry and you're working on a targeted audience. So let me give you some examples of niche. Some examples of niche are health, motivation, fashion, make money online. So these are different categories, these are the different niches, you can say. Whatever niche you have interest in, you can choose one niche and you can get started to promote the affiliate offers on that particular niche. So now the point is that niche is really important. It's mandatory. If you want to be successful in affiliate marketing, you have to have a niche. You have to have a specific targeted audience, a specific industry that you need to focus on. You need to have a specific audience that you want to promote your products or services. So the top 3 evergreen niches in affiliate marketing are first health, second wealth, and third relationship. So you can choose any one niche out of these. Do not go for all the niches. Choose one niche and start working on them. And once you start seeing some success, some results in one of the niches, then maybe you can switch to other niche, or you can start off with a second niche or a third niche and so on. The second most important thing once you have chosen your niche is joining the affiliate program. I have already discussed the different affiliate programs that are available worldwide in one of my recent videos. If you have not watched that video, I will share the link of that video in the description and in the I section somewhere here or here. So you can just check out that video. So you will get to understand what all options are available, what all platforms are available, wherein you can promote affiliate products or services and you can make commissions and you can make sales. So you can just register on these platforms, whether you want to go for physical products or you want to go for digital products. Depending on whatever products you want to go for, you can register on the platforms for absolutely free. So you do not require any money to get started in affiliate marketing. Just remember that. So I will also provide the link in the card as the description. So do check out that video so you can get to know what are the different platforms that are available worldwide for affiliate marketing, wherein you can promote or you can choose the best, or you can choose the product which I will discuss with you. What products you can choose, what are the products that you should choose, so you make commissions out of it instantly, or you can make commissions out of that. So the third important step is, once you have decided what niche you want to work with and then you join different affiliate programs, the third important thing is that you need to find the product. Not only just the product, you need to find a product that is most profitable, because if you start working on any product that will not give you that result, that will not make you commissions or sales. So it's very important that you focus on the most profitable product. But how will you find out that? Don't worry, I will help you out. Keep watching this video so you get to know all the details. As I told you, once you joined and registered yourself as an affiliate marketer on different affiliate marketplaces, this is the most important step, that you need to find out your most profitable product that you want to promote to your audience. Let's say if we go to digistore24.com, which is one of the affiliate marketplace and provides you digital products worldwide. The Super Affiliate System 2020 by John Crestani pays you $1,275 on each and every sale you make as an affiliate marketer. This is insane. So this is by far one of the best high ticket affiliate product that can generate you tons of money as an affiliate marketer per sale if you promote the product in the right manner, if you promote the product the right way. That is very, very important. Remember that it's very important to choose the right product which is profitable, which converts well, and that pays you commission each and every time you promote that product to your audience. The fourth and the next step is choosing the traffic source to promote. So you have to choose a traffic source now to promote your product. So once you have chosen the profitable product, the high converting product, the high selling product, the best selling product that you want to promote, now it's time to choose the traffic source to promote that product to your audience. How you can do that, we'll get to know. So you already chose your niche, you joined different affiliate programs, you selected the profitable product, the high converting, the best selling product. Now it's time to position, to place that product in front of your audience so that your audience can buy the product through your affiliate link, so you make commissions. So now it's time to choose your traffic source. By which way would you like to promote your affiliate product to your audience? So there are basically two ways to promote a product. The first one is the organic one, which we also called as the free traffic source. And the second one is obviously the paid traffic source. So let's understand what are the organic sources and what are the paid sources, so you can easily work or start working on them one by one. So first, the organic method. So as I told you that you can promote a product through organic way, that is through the free way. So there are many traffic sources through which you can promote your product, the affiliate product, to your audience. Few of these traffic sources are Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Quora, Reddit, and there are tons of traffic sources. But let me make it clear to you that if I say free traffic source, that does not mean free traffic source does not give you any commissions, any sales, any money. They do work, but the only thing is that they require time, right? It's not that you will start promoting the products today and you'll start making money by today itself. You need to invest some time. You need to work on that particular method, on that particular traffic source, and over a period of time you will definitely, for sure, you will start getting the results, you will start getting commissions, you will start making money. But if you are patient enough, if you have patience and you can spend and you can invest time, then and only then go for the organic free method, so you can make commissions over a period of time. So the second method of promoting affiliate product is the paid traffic source, is the paid method. If time is a constraint, if time is something that you cannot invest in but you have some money to invest, so then I would recommend you to start off with the paid traffic sources, so you start getting result instantly, even from the first day itself. There are some of the paid traffic sources which are commonly used by marketers all across the world. Some of these are Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads, Snapchat ads. Best part about investing in ads is that it will help you reduce the efforts and it will save you a lot of time, and you will start getting results even from the day one. So if you are looking for instant results, I'm not saying that you'll start making tons of money, but yes, you can start generating one sale, two sale, few sales, even from the day one. Then you can start off with paid traffic source and run ads traffic sources, which I told you right now. So now it's up to you. It's your choice if you want to go with the organic method, which is the free method, or if you want to go with the whichever way you want to promote your product, your affiliate products, you can choose any of them and you can start working on it right now. So we have come to the fifth step, which is make commissions. So well done, congratulations, you made it so far. So far so good. If you work and if you follow all these steps consistently, the steps which I told you earlier prior to these, and you do not give up, even if you're not getting sales from the day one, then you will for sure make commissions. The only problem is, the biggest problem that we face is that we just give up. So do not give up. Never ever do that. Just don't. So thank you so much for taking out your time and watching this complete video. I hope you liked this video. I hope this video was really helpful for you. You got a basic understanding of affiliate marketing, what is affiliate marketing, how the process works, and what are the different type of niches and products that you can work, you can promote, so you can make commissions, you can make sales, and you start generating income online. So if you like this video, share this video with people who would like to make money online as an affiliate marketer, and start working on the method so you start making money as soon as possible. If you have any feedback, if you want me to explain different topics, if you want me to come up with more ideas to make money online, please feel free to comment below so I can come up with those ideas, those money making ideas, or any topic, affiliate marketing or anything related to digital marketing or making money online. You can let me know in the comments below, so I'll come up with those methods and those topics in details so I can help you out make some money online. Till then, have a great day. Enjoy. Bye.